on our way to Lido Beach today. So another Sarasota beach attraction.
Fixing my hat.
Good
morning.
Good morning. Debbie's always fixing something, which is good, I guess. Okay, we'll shoot you a little video on the beach, show you some scenes, sights, of course.
Hopefully, if it's too hot, you can walk back to the truck.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty hot out there. It already is hot at 10:43 a.m.
82 degrees.
82, but the humidity, that's what's getting us right now. We've arrived at Lido Beach. So we're going to walk over and pop our little spot here. We're right next to a motorcycle fitting.
Gotta get the chairs.
Okay, Debbie's unpacked. You gotta get the blankets out. Oh, I'm gonna do the blankets, thank you. Okay, I
No, you're not. I was thinking you were
Okay, we're gonna take a stroll out to this point right here, guys. Get that, Soap? No, yeah, you did. Not a bad little setup. We always bring chairs. We hardly ever use them. We're always usually laying down. KJ there, Debbie there.
Alright, Daddy. It's enough. Let's take a walk.
Okay.
We had to do it all the way down the beach with him, so our arms.
I'll take it off my back.
Get up there. We're going all the way down there?
Yep.
On the birds are.
Yep.
Crazy?
And we're gonna walk back.
It's far. Okay. So what's that way?
Another way.
Get that way.
I'm not talking.
I'm not talking. It's a miracle. Put it down on the stage. The baby.
Ja. Ja, very pretty. Can't get copyright infringement for that.
Who wrote that song?
Look, I don't know my rock and roll, honey.
I know, but didn't he wrote for Toto, right?
Skaggs and Toto were in Cohertz, yes. Cohertz, megahertz, kilohertz. Here on this video, but waves coming in are just nice and uniform, and they're not like real dramatic, but yeah, they're coming in like 4 or 5 layers at a time.
Yes. You never go from low up.
Oh, we want an up
You
shot.
gotta go up, down.
We want an up shot. We were needing an up shot. Time for beer.
Sure.
Okay, lost our beer time. Enjoy some suds. Yes.
He wasn't happy about putting his hand in the sand.
He wasn't? Coconut.
Lido Beach or whatever.
This
Are
is
there
Lido.
gonna see more shells from other places?
Maybe.
I should have got the same from the other beach because the other beach has whiter sand. Siesta Key has it's like baby powder. It is. It is. Of course, it's got to match the cooler lighting. You want to show the beer?
No. It's got a Buffalo Bills logo on
I
it.
know. It's all right.
They could probably tell we brought that from New York State. Thank you.
That's his beer.
That's mine. You gotta have light beer on the beach. Craft and darker
Mine.
beers come later. You'll get a headache.
55 calories. That's what I'm talking about.
Wow, that's like watery. Very. But
Goes right through you.
that's for our Debbie. She's got to stay fit and trim. refreshing. You guys probably wouldn't like it. Going for one last chunky dunk in the water here. It's 85-ish, 88 maybe, I don't know, but it's nice on the ocean because you got the breeze, so it's pretty cool. Woo. Give you a little turn around of where we're at. A little shorter up here. There we go. Water temp is 81 degrees according to the lifeguard station over here. And you can be now in back of me. 81 degrees, which is water temp's beautiful. I wouldn't want any warmer or colder. Awesome. But you would like it. You guys think it's horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. It is fun.
And they're nobody young, nobody cool. We got the one on the other side. So she goes.
She's meaning that side over there, by the
said,
way. But we're gonna go over and have
house calls.
we're gonna go over and have a cocktail hour over
so
there.
So clean, and she goes, "Do you do house calls?" I said, "Well, yours is much bigger than mine." I said, "That's okay. I just won't charge as much." See, I can make a living down here cleaning people's units. There you go, KJ. Found my calling.
Starting happy hour part 2 right now. We're back with our neighbor. Started happy hour part number 1. He had to go meet his daughter for dinner, night out. So now we're gonna do our own happy hour by ourselves, which doesn't happen too often. So we're gonna kind of enjoy this. Let's check it out here. We see what's going down.
Tell the menu.
Okay, she's got potato skins in the oven right now, and we got ribs coming, and we got out here. Show you our dip.
Happy hour.
You got chips and dips out here. There's our chips and dip.
Told you got hotter.
Oh yeah, got hotter. I'll work with the sun here. And we got, I think, the Food Network on, right? Something like that.
I don't know.
So we're gonna have our little happy hour, and I'm sure you guys would not like it. Did a pretty good job.
1 minute on the potato skin.
1 minute. Okay, so Debbie brings out round 2. Potato skins. Yay.
Let me know when you finish, and we'll go. You done with the sour cream? Because I'll put it in the fridge.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, we are taking laundry and recyclables. This is the bad part of camping.
No, it's
Look at all the damn laundry.
It's not a bad part. It's
And look at the recycling.
It's real. This is
real,
what you have
okay.
to do. It's good. And if you have a facility like ours who has a great big laundromat, it's awesome.
You got to do what you got to do,
know what?
and we want.
We try not to.
We want to
pack.
recycle.
We
so.
overpack. I overpack anyway, but you know what? It's always good to midway between your trip, how long. If you have a long trip, excuse me, little wine. To be able to do laundry.
Happy hour just ended.
You know.
So we're kind of between happy hour and dinner. So we're gonna get this laundry done. We're in anyways, and then come back and have some dinner. Debbie's got ribs cooking up for me.
Potato salad.
Ribs, looking good. Okay, I'll give you a little quick picture coming up of.
Sorry.
I'll give you a quick picture coming up of the laundry.
Do a bounce.
2 loads in.
A bounce for $1.
8 quarters per machine, so $2, $2. And then we got the drying. Debbie's over by the drying. Okay, so then we got the drying off, so not too bad. Maybe 10 or 12 bucks, and we got our wash done for us on the road. Yes, it's not as cheap as staying home, but it is. Okay, now we go to recycling. Laundry is done.
Well, not done.
It's all done.
Laundry is in the machine. It's not done.
What the heck is this thing?
It's like working trash. You get out of it all the time, man.
Interesting. Lawn bowling. The turf was pretty awesome, and that's real. Holy cow. Gotta catch up with Deborah.
Because you should be doing that. I'm a believer in recycling. Next to the camper to cook ribs. I know. Sorry.
We are.
It's him.
Look at the empty campsites. So you guys can get an idea what some of the lots look like. These are, I think, smaller ones in here. Where we are is drive-through or pass-through sites. Could back in, I guess, if you wanted also.
My famous potato salad.
Ribs. We got the ribs. Some pot salad. Oh yeah, we're doing good.
Want some,
Debbie keeps bringing it out.
do you want sweet baby?
No. You're my sweet baby. No wardrobe, entrance. are open late. Nobody home.